Stop. This video is not for you if you are not interested in getting 2 free stocks using Webull. It's also not for you if you are not in the US. So if you're in the UK or Europe and you still want to get a free stock, just head down to the link in the description for Trading 212. Click that link and you can go grab a free stock over there. Now, if you are in the US and you do want 2 free stocks, then this is the video for you. Let's dive right in. So what is Webull? Basically, it is a trading platform similar to TD Ameritrade or Robinhood. It's got no commission and it doesn't charge you to buy or sell shares, so there's no fees. Now the cool thing with Webull is that they offer a sign-up bonus. So if you click the link down below, you will, depending on when you're watching this, either get 2 free stocks or 1 free stock valued between $8 and $1,600. And all you have to do is fund your account by $100. So you might be thinking, what stock are you likely to get if you click the link down below? Well, the stocks are valued between $8 and $1,600, and it kind of makes sense that your chances of getting a lower valued stock are higher than your chances of getting, for example, one closer to the $1,600 mark. Now, if you don't get a stock valued at over $30, you are pretty much guaranteed a stock between the $8 and $30 mark. Now, for anything over $30 to $100, your chances of getting a stock like that are 1 in 52. So those are pretty good odds. For the next range, the odds get a little worse, but they're still way better than playing the lottery. So for the $100 to $200 range, your chances of getting that are 1 in 1,111. And then finally, your chance of getting a stock valued between $1,000 and $1,600 is 1 in 10,000. So if you're one of those lucky people, definitely let me know down in the comments afterwards.
I will be jealous.
So this video is just going to go through the basic steps that you need to take to open an account. A couple of things you have to have with you while opening your account to streamline the process. Basically, all you need to do is click the link down below, have your social security number ready, and a form of identification like a passport or driver's license. Open your account, wait a couple of days, and then fund it with $100. Now, you just fund it with that $100, you can transfer from your bank account to your Webull account, and then pretty much straight away draw that money back if you so choose. Just the act of funding it by that $100, that still qualifies you to receive those 2 free stocks. So that's pretty sweet, but you either can withdraw that money or you can leave it in there and start your investing hustle. With those 2 free stocks that you get, you can also decide whether you want to sell them and take the money and run, or whether you want to sell them and use those funds to buy different stocks. That's all fine as well. Okay, grab your social security number, grab your passport or your driver's license. Don't tell me your numbers, I don't need to know. But click the link down below and now we're going to run through the sign up process. It is really straightforward. So I'll pop the sign up process on the screen over there, or if you're doing it while watching this video, you can pause this video and fill in all your basic information like your name and whatnot. Or if you're really quick, you can do it while I do this little entrepreneurship dance to pass the time. Yeah. Little entrepreneurship dance to pass the time. Okay, enough of that. You filled it out? Sweet. Now, you should be at that section where they're asking you about your net worth and your net income. Don't worry too much about this. These questions kind of just are aimed to better your experience on the platform. It's not going to really change anything too much, so don't stress. You don't even really have to put the true details if you don't want to. That's fine. Now, should you choose a margin account or a cash account? Well, if you're just starting off with the stock market and investing, ignore the margin account. Margin account basically means you're using leverage, you're borrowing money to buy more stocks. And that is way riskier than just using your own funds to buy stocks, which is what you would do in the cash account. So cash account, much safer, that's what I would choose. And margin account, much riskier. You kind of need to know what you're doing, otherwise you could end up losing a lot of money. So cash account. Have I said cash account enough times?
Cash account.
Done. Now you just have to wait a few days for approval. They need to check that you're a real person, that you're not a scammer, not dodgy. And once they have checked that and verified you, then you can fund your account. And as soon as you funded your account, like I said, you just have to fund it with $100. You can transfer that from your bank account, And if you wanted to withdraw that money back pretty much straight away, you can. Or you can leave it in there and use it to start your investment hustle. Now, when will you get your free stocks? After funding your account with the $100, you will get notified of when your stocks are available. It will take between 5 to 7 days, but it might happen quicker. And then you just need to press one button to claim your stocks. Then you need to come back to the comments and let me know which free stock you got, and especially if you're one of the lucky ones that got a stock valued at over $1,000. Jealous. Now, why should you use Webull? Well, like I said before, there are no fees and no commissions, so you don't pay anything when you buy or sell a stock. There are no minimums. They're registered with the SEC and they are a member of FINRA, so you know that you're safe in that regard. There are automatic upgrades and live market data. And there's a customizable interface as well as paper trading. Now, paper trading is a really good tool for beginners because basically it means you can use virtual money to practice buying and selling stocks using options and learning the interface. So it is definitely something I would recommend after you funded your account and got your free stocks. And that takes us to the end of the video. If this was helpful at all, please appreciate that like button and subscribe for more videos about property and personal finance and my YouTube journey. I'm making videos at least once a week, and it would be a huge help for my channel because I'm really new to YouTube. You can also click the card somewhere up there to see how my Airbnb rental got catfished, and I'll pop a link down below to explain how I live basically rent-free through house hacking. Also, pretty interesting way to save money to buy more stocks. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.